Hi guys, my name is Jazz and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I discuss everything fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Today I have a handbag unboxing and a wish list of some contemporary bags that are on my wish list for this season. So as you know, handbags, luxury handbags, they're expensive, like super expensive, like shook expensive, and almost to the point where I'm just like, you know what, I don't want to be bothered with it. Like, of course I have certain things like that I might get one bag this season, but they're just so overpriced and I'm just like, you know what, I'm not doing it. I want to have options that are in my budget, and that's going to be that. So anyways, I have another Brandon Blackwood bag that I'm so excited about. I've been on the market for a white small like handbag to kind of just go with my looks. I feel like every time I'm wearing something as far as like the spring and I go to look for a handbag and I don't have a cute white one. I have one from Zara last year, but it has like that gold chain, and I kind of hate it, and I was just like, I'm looking for something that's going to be super cute that I can wear with like my white shoes or just any neutral look that'll be like that perfect crisp white. So I definitely got two bags, but one of them I'm probably going to bring back, but I'll show you guys both of them and do an unboxing of this bag from Brandon Blackwood, which I'm excited about. He just does everything right and it's just so affordable. I just love this brand and the fact that there's so many options for everyone, no matter what kind of handbag style you're into, what you're looking for. I just feel like there's something for everyone. So let's just get to the unboxing of this and I'll share some other things on my wish list. But I didn't even plan to get this bag. Brandon Blackwood, if you're on his mailing list, like you'll get emails of like when they just release certain things, and I just kind of just bought it. It just went like the perfect time and place, and I just kind of just went for it. So of course it came in the Brandon Blackwood box. This is my second Brandon Blackwood bag, by the way, and it comes with the little, you know, the note, thank you for purchasing, and I just love this. Even though it being my second time, I just think this is such a dope, like, kind of just add a touch to something that you're buying. I just feel like it feels expensive and luxurious, so I love this. So it came in the box, came in the Brandon Blackwood duster. How cute. So the bag that I got is, I don't even know how to say it, is the mini Kuei bag? Kuei bag. But guys, look how perfect. It's perfect. Like when I opened the box, like I did open it before here, coming here, I was like, oh my god, it's perfect. It fits. It's so cute. It's actually everything that I was looking for, like in a small petite bag. I've been finding that as I'm like going out on the weekends, like I don't want like a regular size handbag. I want something really small and cute that just looks cute with outfits. It's not too heavy. It's like the perfect petite look without being like micro mini, where it's like so small you can't fit anything, but small enough where it doesn't feel like you have a big, you know, big ass handbag. You know what I'm saying? So this is perfect. At first I was kind of hesitant because of course with the white bag I didn't want it to have any kind of hardware on there. Like I didn't want it to be like, this has silver hardware, but it's very, very minimalistic. So I can still wear it with gold and get away with it. But on the bottom, the feet are silver, which is fine for me. I'm one of those people, like, I'll just do what I want to do, and like if my bag has silver on it and I want to wear gold unless it's like a gold like Bottega chain on it, I'll just mix my metals. I really just don't care. But this one is subtle enough that I can wear it with gold and it doesn't look like, why do you have that gold bag with it, you know, with like your white stuff. So very, very small in the detail, as you can see here. It has the two handles on the top. Let me just rip this off. So it's just like perfectly cute, and I'll show you guys how it looks on, of course, but I don't know, I just like, I got so excited when I opened it. I will show you guys what fits inside, but if you guys saw my mini trunk review, I'll put that video up here. But the mini trunk, it didn't fit as much as I would like it to. Like it couldn't fit my phone, which is fine because like I'll just put my phone, I guess it's always in my hand anyway, so I'll just keep it in my hand. But this, it looks like it could fit my phone. Of course it has a strap. I love having the option of a strap because you know you always like to place it crossbody if need be. But inside it looks a lot deeper than the mini trunk, Kendrick trunk bag. Like inside, it looks like I can fit my actual phone, and like, I'll show you what fits inside, but I'll probably fit my card wallet, my sanitizer, a mask, you know, my keys, car keys. It fits all of that, but it feels like it could comfortably fit my cell phone, which is nice. So I do love this. I'm really excited about it, like super excited about it. Like I'm probably more excited about this one than my Kendrick trunk bag in the raffia, but I just love this. It's just perfect. If it's still available, get it now. I got this on Blackwood site. My last one I got from Saks, but isn't she cute? So adorable. So I'm gonna show you guys what fits inside. Probably right after this clip, or I'll show you after, but I'll show you what fits inside for sure. But fits enough. It's perfectly cute and small without being micro mini to fit some things. So this is the first thing that I got. So here's what fits inside the Blackwood Kuei bag. So here's my card holder. I'm putting in kind of my essentials, my Chanel mirror, my sanitizer. I put like my makeup in there, like my lipstick and the things that I need. And then I try to like kind of stuff it and then just put like my lotion, and here you can see it's getting a little bit stuffed, which is fine. My AirPods, and at this point I realized I didn't have my cell phone in there, which I wanted to try. So I took some things out, like I was like, okay, I'll take out the lotion, you know, the AirPods, and see where my phone will fit. So I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it fits in there. At least it's inside, but it's not a really good fit, but a lot fits in here, which I'm super impressed with. So super cute. So next, before I got the Blackwood bag, I had been talking about ordering like a Staud mini moon bag in white. So I ordered that, and then when I saw that came, and I was just like, I don't know what to do. So I probably might not keep this bag, only because I was kind of disappointed in how it came. But I got this off of Neiman's, and this is the Staud mini moon bag. Now, this has like the gold clip here, but the reason I had wanted it was because it didn't have any kind of like details in the like you know, in the charms and things like that, where it didn't have like gold or silver and I can kind of wear with anything. But they described on the website as white, and it's not white. As you can see on screen, it's definitely like a cream color, which is fine because I'll still wear it with white. I don't really care. I don't have to be matchy. I just feel like I don't care if it has gold. I'll wear silver. I just don't care. But anyways, so I got this one, but when it came in, it has like a blue scuff on it. It just didn't come. It looked like somebody wore this bag and returned it. Like you could see like the blue scuffs on it. So I was kind of disappointed with that. It looks like somebody like literally wore the bag. They threw it in the box and shipped it to me. So I was like, okay, I don't really like that. But kind of comparing like the two, I think I'm definitely going to keep the Blackwood because this is more of what I really wanted for the summer. But this is still a cute style to have if you're looking for something. You might not want a stark white, but you're looking for something that is just a little bit, you can wear it with everything. It's cream and a perfect mini size for the summer. Unlike the other Staud bags, I have one in gray that I barely wear, but I love this one because it did have a strap, which I really wanted and I was looking for, because I just wanted to have the option of having a strap, especially in the summer when you're doing things like, yes, this is great, but sometimes it could be annoying, especially if you're running around doing errands. So this fits quite a lot. This is like the deep inside of it with this bag. It could fit your cell phone. Everything you pretty much would need to carry with you would fit in here. But it's probably going back. But let me know what you guys think. Do you have the mini moon bag? What do you think of it? I think it's cute, but it's just, I think the Blackwood is going more towards like what I'm looking for and what I need. But it's okay. This is still a cute little vibe, you know, but I'm not keeping it. I don't think so. But let me know what you guys think. So those are the two bags that I picked up. Definitely loving the Blackwood Kuei bag. A few that are on my wish list, and you guys tell me if you like them or not. If you guys don't follow Simply Kura, definitely follow her channel. She's always like putting me on to like new contemporary handbag brands, and I love that because, like I said before, the luxury handbag, you know, game is just, it's very expensive, very, very expensive. So she's always putting me on to different bags, so definitely check her out. But this bag, and I'm still debating on it because it goes perfectly with my 9 West denim slides. It's this Coperni bag in like a denim. Like, I love this bag. I've been thinking about it for like a week or two, and I might pull the plug. You know, it's Gemini season, so I might just get it. But I love it. I just love the style of it. It has like the handle. It's just, it kind of gives the style of the Staud bag with the handle, but it's just so freaking cute. And it just goes perfectly with my denim slides. I don't have a denim bag. I'm explaining all the reasons that I probably need this bag, but I'm definitely checking out the brand. They do remind me of like Staud, where they have those classic cool shapes, great quality. Not cheap, but definitely more of an affordable price point than say your YSL bags or, you know, of course your Bottega bags and things of that nature. Definitely great price point, definitely something that I'm thinking about. Now, next one. So you guys know I stand Marc Jacobs. There's so many videos on my channel of me talking about Marc Jacobs tote bags. I have 2 of them. I have like a softbox bag. I really love Marc Jacobs. I really do. So they have the bucket bag, and I was like, do I need this? I don't know. Like, I don't know. I definitely, with this bucket bag, I love the orange one, but it's definitely something like I want to go into the store and try it on. So maybe like one of these days or on the weekend, I'll go to their Madison store and just see it in person and see if it's something that I'll realistically wear. Because the top handle is kind of like a rubbery feel, and I would love it if the top handle was leather. That would be really cute. But I don't know. It's new. I was like, let me not just like instantly just buy this because I'm just freaking out. Like, oh my God, it's exciting. It's new. So I'm thinking about that. But that's something definitely that I want to check out in store. You know, I don't know. I have to see, because it could be just really just impulsive and I don't even know if I want to go their route. Next bag, I've been looking at reviews on this bag and everybody has such great things to say, and I'm still not sure. I tried it on in Saks last weekend and I'm just not sure about it. So it's the Tory Burch Petite Radziwell bag. Now I love this bag because of course it gives like mini Hermes, like Kelly vibes. It's classic. It doesn't have any name on it. Like, it has like Tory Burch right in like the middle, like, you know, where it snaps. Like, you don't know. Like, if you know, you know, you don't, you don't. And that's fine. It just looks like a great quality leather bag. So, like, I've been seeing reviews and people saying it doesn't fit much, you know, I wanted to have like that perfect like slouch in the front so it can look like a mini Kelly bag, but I'm not sure about it. I definitely probably would. I was checking it out in cream, but since I got this brand in Blackwood and I had got that Staud bag, I'm still not quite sure. So I still have to see like kind of where it's going to end up on what I want, but I've been thinking about it. So I don't know. And I know like a lot of people have this bag and it's not new, but I just feel like it's so classic and nice. But you know, those are the bags on the wish list. Tell me guys what you guys think of what's on my wish list. What's the #1 bag that you're looking for this season? Let me know in the comments down below. Affordable, of course. If you're looking for affordable price bags, definitely check out Staud. Brandon Blackwood is an amazing choice. So many different styles. And you can actually, I feel like you're able to get one. Sometimes with like Telfair, like it sells out, you're not able to get any. But Brandon Blackwood, you can get your hands on one. So definitely check them out. And let me know what you think of my wish list. I don't know. I don't want to pull the plug, but you know, I'm hoping and wishing. But thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time guys, be safe and be well. Bye.